Welcome to Expert SEM Supply Chain Knowledge Sharing session. In this session, we are going to see a term called opportunity cost. What is opportunity cost? Opportunity cost represents the potential benefits that an individual, investor, or business misses out on when choosing one alternative over another. Because opportunity costs are unseen by definition, they can be easily overlooked. Understanding the potential missed opportunity when a business or individual chooses one investment over another allows for better decision making. Opportunity cost analysis plays a crucial role in determining a business's capital structure. A firm incurs an expense in issuing both debt and equity capital to compensate lenders and stakeholders for the risk of investment, yet each also carries an opportunity cost. Funds used to make payment on loans, for example, cannot be invested in stocks or bonds, which offer the potential for investment income. The company must decide if the expansion made by the leveraging power of debt will generate greater profit than it could make through investments. A firm tries to weigh the costs and benefits of issuing debt and stock, including both monetary and non-monetary consideration, to arrive at an optimal balance that minimizes opportunity cost. Because opportunity cost is forward-looking consideration, the actual rate of return for both options is unknown today, making this evaluation bit tricky in practice. Examples of opportunity cost: before making big decision like buying a home or starting a business, you probably will scrupulously research the pros and cons of your financial decision, but most day-to-day choices are not made with full understanding of the potential opportunity cost. When feeling cautious about a purchase, for instance, many people will check the balance of their saving account before spending money, but they often won't think about the things that they must give up when they make that spending decision. The problem comes up when you never look at what else you could do with your money or buy things without considering the lost opportunities. Having takeout for lunch occasionally can be a wise decision, especially if it gets you out of the office for a much needed break. It is similar to that. Thanks for watching. Bye.